Hey campers, how you guys doing out there? Check it out, here we are again with Pepe. It's running, the motor's running, which is good. Still no brakes, which has always been a bit of an issue. As you know, this saga continues. Haven't moved from that spot for the last year, at least, maybe a year and a half. Yeah, this is our workbench over there, all that space. That's where Pepe was. Now she's gonna move. He, she. You tell me down below, he or she, man. Today, tow truck coming, tow this poor little guy away to try and get the brakes fixed once and for all. It's been a huge history, as you know. I've told you all about it. Brakes on the front there, the cable broke, and it's been a bit of an uphill mission all the way. Combined with this whole COVID thing, everyone's locked down and things have slowed down. It's been a really difficult year, so here we go. Tow this guy away, go to a garage. Hopefully they can help us this time, because as you know, I've been to so many places. Nobody knows, nobody wants to know. This time I think I've got a good feeling about it. So while we wait for the tow truck to arrive, I thought I'd just start the motor, see if it runs properly. Everything works fine, except for the brakes. Might be handy. So yeah, here we go, man. Next time you see us, we will have updated, and we'll see where we progress with the next part of the build. Most of the inside is done, as you know, you've seen it all. Now it's just the not the difficult parts, the more expensive parts, like electric, water, and gas. There you go. So yeah, come on Pepe, hold thumbs for us, cross your fingers, and maybe next time we'll have some good news. Catch you later guys, keep rolling.